Okay, good morning. In this session, you are going to know about the how to create a dashboard, and then what is a dashboard, and then what are the different types of dashboards you are going to be creating, and then what are the different components for the dashboard. And then what is exactly dashboard here? The dashboard is a graphical representation of multiple reports. Here previously you created a different reports. Then from the multiple reports you may create the dashboard. That means you will apply the different reports, and then you will from the all reports here you will create the dashboard. That is a graphical representation. The report can be presented in a graphical elements. Here all reports are represented in a some elements. Here we have a, for example, bar chart, one type of element, and then different element. From all these elements, the element may be visual force page is a one type of element. From all these elements you will represent a dashboard. The graphical elements also call it as a dashboard elements. The graphical element, that means from the graphical element you will create the dashboard. These elements are called as a dashboard element. You have a different kinds of dashboard elements are there. One is a chart, other one is a gauge, other one is a tables, metrics, and then visible force page and the custom edge control. Here chart, what is the chart here? Chart in the sense you will represent in a horizontal bar chart, and then vertical bar chart, line chart, pie chart, a donut chart, and funnel chart. Different types of charts are there. That means you will represent a data in a graphical format by using this type of chart. You will discuss later with a practical example. And then uh, gauge, what is a gauge here? The gauge means it shows a single value, that is a part of range of custom set values. From the set values here you will show the single value. Here the range can be low, medium, high values. Here from the low, the for example age of the if person, age of the person in the sense medium, low in the sense less than 20 years, that's a low. Medium in the sense 20 to 30. And then high value, how can you represent high value? High value means greater than 40 years. High value like that you will represent the age value. That means the value from the report plotted accordingly. That is a gauge metric. Other one is a metric. Here what is a metric? Here metric is used to show a single value to display the metric representation. And then the table, another component here. In particular dashboard you may use the different tables also. We will represent the data or report in a table format, column format, and then some certain graphical format. That means previously you discussed about the tabular format of data, matrix format of data, like that. And then visual force page, the visual force page component type may be used to create a custom component types. That means here also you may use the different visual force pages. Here coming to the how can you create the dashboard here? Here in order to, before creating the dashboard you have to create the folder first. The first important thing here is a, you should create the folder, dashboard folder first. After that you go for the navigation. Here the go to the Salesforce login page. Here how can you log into the Salesforce? By using say login.salesforce.com. Here you go to the login.salesforce.com. The environment appears like this. Here I'm going to creating a one folder for the dashboard. Click on plus. Here the plus symbol is there, it shows the all related objects in a particular system, the all related object in a system. And then there is a dashboard. Click on dashboard. If you click on dashboard here it will ask the folder. Here you may create the new dashboard or already created folder is there, UMA 3. For reporting I created one folder. For example, if you want, if you need create another folder, create another folder, new folder. This folder for the, for example, UMA, let us assume UMA underscore dashboard. That means you will save that information in a this particular folder. Click on this folder. Here it will shows the UMA underscore dashboard. Here this is a custom folder created by the user. Here you may edit this folder, you may delete this folder, you may share this folder. Remaining folders are there. For example, some other folder is a opportunity report folder. Here only we will share this folder only. And then okay, you created the folder. Next thing here, click on new dashboard. Click on new dashboard. That means you are going to creating the new dashboard. The environment appears like this. It is having the enter here. Here if you comes to the save button, save as button, close button, dashboard properties button is there, add filters, you may add some filter. If you comes to the component here, what are the component? This is a, for example, this one, drag and drop this component. What is this component? Horizontal bar chart. Here this component, for example, horizontal, this is one type of component. Here this is a horizontal bar chart. This is this one, horizontal bar chart. Chart types: vertical bar chart, donut bar chart. Different bar charts are there. For example, this one is a pie chart, this one is a donut, and then this one is a pie chart. Like that you have a different charts are there. And then you where to store this information. Here comes to the data store. You have a, from where, here you created some charts. Here you have to get the information. That means the dashboard in the sense multiple, the multiple reports, it is a combination of multiple reports. You may get the reports. For example, I created one report previously. The report I am showing here, for example, pie chart. Here I am showing this report here, and then we have a already sample report is there. I am placing this sample report. Otherwise you may place this sample report here, donut chart. Here this is a donut chart, it's not showing anything. That's why I'm using the for the donut chart. This one, this is a donut chart. Already previously I created this report. In this way you will creating the different reports from the data source. Not only this information, a simple report, this one, and then you may create the visible post pages. Yeah, for example, student, already created that one, student visible post page. Yeah, yeah. Here one report is there. For example, you may header the that means that we have already created some information is there. Header, this is used to calculator, student calculator, let us assume then anything, the header information. And then this is a way, some footer also you may write some example. For example, HHH, let us assume this is a footer related information. Here you may having a, this is a one type calculator. For example, A1, already some pages are there, you may represent those pages here. For example, header, this, that means already created, these pages are created previously. And then another page, that means you will represent the, in your dashboard you will represent the visible post pages also. Like this you will create the dashboard. That means if you come to the dashboard properties, the title, here you may give the title. The title here is a, for example, UMA underscore dashboard. For example, this is a dashboard, and then the name automatically it gives the name, and then the where the personal board locate. And then I want to save this dashboard. Where should I save this dashboard? You will save this dashboard in a one particular thing, that is a personal dashboard only. Save and run the board. Yeah, if you save and run, it appears like this. And then not only this information, you will have the some visual forces are there. This is a one particular dashboard, and then you may see this dashboard here. You may search the dashboard here. It is stored in my personal dashboards here. And then how can you see that information? Okay, save it. After saving, you may comes to here. Again you will come here and then click on dashboard. If you come to the dashboard, it will appears like this. This is a information. You may edit this dashboard here. In this way you will create the dashboard. Thank you.